There's one habit I picked up in trading that completely changed the game for me. And no, it's not some secret strategy or indicator. It's something way simpler, but way more powerful. Most new traders focus only on signals, setups, and profits. But the habit I'm about to share actually helped me grow faster, trade smarter, and avoid emotional blowups. The habit: journaling my trades, every single day. At first, it felt boring. I just wanted to trade, not write stuff down. But over time, I started seeing patterns, in my setups, in my mindset, and in my mistakes. I'd look back and say, wow, I always break my rules when I trade on Mondays, or I lose the most when I revenge trade after a loss. That awareness is what created progress. Here's the thing: reviewing my trades forced me to be honest with myself. I couldn't lie to the journal. If I broke a rule, it was right there. If I skipped analysis and took a trade out of boredom, I had to write that down. Slowly, I became more disciplined, more focused. My losses didn't magically disappear, but they became smaller and less frequent. And my wins started to look more intentional. You don't need a fancy system. Just grab a notebook or use a Google Sheet. After each trade, write these 5 things. 1. Why you took the trade. 2. Entry and exit. 3. Result. 4. How you felt. 5. What you do differently. That's it. Do this daily, and I promise, you'll level up faster than 90% of traders. So if you're struggling to grow, don't just look for the next strategy. Start tracking your own behavior. Because success in Forex isn't just about what the market does, it's about what you do. If this helped you, drop a fire in the comments, and tell me, do you journal your trades? If not, start today. Your future self will thank you.